Have you ever thought about starting a side hustle, but felt like you didn't have the time, skills, or resources to make it work? Well, in 2025, you've got a secret weapon: artificial intelligence. AI isn't just for big tech companies anymore. It's for anyone looking to boost productivity, create something new, or even make some extra cash on the side. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to build a side hustle, even if you've never done anything like this before. Let's jump in. Let's start with an easy one: freelance writing and content creation. If you've ever wanted to write blog posts, social media captions, or even product descriptions for businesses, AI can make it so much easier. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI can help you brainstorm ideas, outline content, and even draft full pieces in minutes. For example, imagine a business owner needs a 500-word article about the benefits of sustainable packaging. With ChatGPT, you can input a prompt, and boom, you've got a solid draft to work with. From there, you can tweak it, add your own voice, and deliver it to the client. It's like having a writing assistant that never gets tired. The best part? Businesses are willing to pay good money for content, especially when it saves them time. If you position yourself as someone who delivers high-quality work quickly, you can start making money in no time. Next up, let's talk about print-on-demand businesses. If you're creative, or even if you're not, AI can help you design products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Tools like MidJourney or DAL can generate unique designs based on your ideas. All you need to do is describe what you want, and the AI will create something amazing. Here's an example. Let's say you want to create a line of motivational t-shirts. You could use MidJourney to generate a cool graphic, combine it with a slogan in Canva, and then upload the design to a platform like Redbubble or Etsy. The best part? With print on demand, you don't need to hold any inventory. When someone places an order, the platform handles the printing and shipping for you. With just a little creativity and some help from AI, you can launch a business with virtually no upfront costs. Another great idea is social media management. Businesses know they need to be on social media, but most don't have the time or expertise to do it well. That's where you come in. With tools like Canva for design and ChatGPT for caption writing, you can offer social media packages to clients. Let's break it down. Say a small business needs 10 Instagram posts per month. You can use Canva's templates to create professional-looking graphics in minutes. Then use AI to write captions that are engaging and tailored to their audience. You can even schedule posts using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. By offering a complete package, design, captions, and scheduling, you can charge a premium without spending hours on each post. And trust me, small businesses are always looking for affordable social media help. Now, let's talk about a more technical option: AI-assisted video or podcast editing. If you've got some basic editing skills, AI can take them to the next level. Tools like Descript or Pictory use AI to transcribe audio, remove filler words, and even suggest edits. This is a game changer for anyone looking to create or edit content quickly. For example, podcasters often need their episodes cleaned up, removing ums, UHs, and long pauses. With Descript, you can do this with just a few clicks. Similarly, YouTubers might need help creating short clips or adding subtitles. Pictory can automatically generate highlight reels or captions, saving you hours of manual work. If you market yourself as someone who can deliver polished content quickly, you'll find plenty of clients willing to pay for your services. Finally, let's look at copywriting and email marketing. This might sound intimidating, but with tools like Jasper AI, it's easier than you think. Businesses are always looking for help writing sales emails, ad copy, and landing pages. AI can help you create compelling content that converts. Here's how it works. Say a client needs an email campaign to promote their new product. You can use Jasper AI to draft a series of emails tailored to their audience. The AI can even suggest subject lines and calls to action that are proven to get results. With a little fine-tuning, you'll have a professional campaign ready to go. What's great about this side hustle is that it's scalable. Once you get comfortable with the tools, you can take on multiple clients and charge premium rates for your expertise. So there you have it, 5 ways to use AI to build a side hustle in 2025. From freelance writing to social media management to print on demand, AI is making it easier than ever to start something new. The best part? You don't need a ton of money or experience to get started. All you need is a little creativity, some determination, and the willingness to learn. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more ways to make AI work for you. Thanks for watching, And I'll see you in the next video.